Homeowners, here's the easiest DIY you've ever done. Want to prevent mold and mildew in your bathroom while protecting the drywall and paint? Follow these steps. Step 1. Right? That's it. One step. Well, you do need to let it run until the steam clears, but that's passive, not really a step. Anyway, the point is, most people tend to think of their bathroom exhaust fan as an odor eliminator for foul stenches caused by people doing their business in the toilet. But that's actually the fan's number 2 use. Its primary purpose is to actually remove steam from the bathroom during hot showers and baths in order to prevent moisture buildup that fosters mold growth. The simple act of flipping on your fan during hot showers or baths, or opening a window if your bathroom doesn't have an exhaust fan, can spare you mold remediation costs and aggravated allergies. But that doesn't mean you should stop running it to remove odors. Now tell me that's not the easiest DIY you've ever done.